Hey there, entrepreneurs! Did you know that your smartphone and a free AI tool can help you make $100 to $200 a day without any previous experience or upfront investment? Sounds like a dream, right? Well, stick around because I'm going to show you exactly how to do it step by step. Today, we're diving into how to help local businesses boost customer engagement using AI chatbots, and how you can turn this into a recurring $100 200/day income stream with zero coding skills. This isn't affiliate marketing, this isn't drop shipping, and nope, it's not selling courses either. So, let's get started. Step 1. Understand the business model. Here's the game plan. You're going to use Google Maps to find local businesses that have poor online engagement or outdated websites. Think restaurants, dentists, realtors, salons. Then you'll reach out and offer to install a simple AI chatbot on their site or social media that can answer FAQs, book appointments, capture leads instantly, and respond 24/7. Why does this matter? Because most local businesses are still sleeping on automation, and every lead they miss costs them money. You solve that problem for a monthly fee. Step 2. Find potential clients on Google Maps. Now, here's how to get clients. Open Google Maps and search for something like realtors in Dallas or dental clinics in Miami. Click through listings and look for poor reviews or very few reviews, no website link, no chatbot on their site, no appointment booking system, or a site that looks outdated. Pro tip: prioritize businesses with under 4 stars. They're more likely to want help. Make a list of 20-30 leads. Step 3. Build or use a free chatbot. You don't need to code. You don't even need to build anything from scratch. Here are 3 free tools you can use. Tidio, great for e-commerce and bookings. ManyChat, perfect for Facebook, Instagram DMs. Chatbase, lets you train a chatbot on any website content or PDF in minutes. Let's say you're working with a dentist. You can create a chatbot trained to answer: do you take insurance? Book appointments. Share office hours. Offer first visit discounts. Time to build 15-30 minutes, and once it's set up, it runs automatically. Step 4. Monetization and recurring revenue. Here's how to make money. Charge $100 300/month per client. Offer setup for free plus $0 for 7 days, then lock them in with recurring PayPal, Stripe subscription. Let's do the math. 5 clients at $200/month equal sign $1, 000 month. 10 clients equal sign $2, 000 month. Scale it to 20 clients equal sign $4, 000 month in passive income. You can also upsell a lead generation, Google reviews management, basic SEO, Facebook ad chatbot flows, all using free or low-cost AI tools. So there you have it, a straightforward way to use AI and Google Maps to create a steady income stream. Remember to comment maps below if you want that free outreach template to start landing your first client today. Now go out there and make it happen. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.